Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our Touch Trove. Today, we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, one of the top flagship Android smartphones of the year. While it's not perfect, it boasts an impressive anti-reflective screen, exceptional performance, and long-lasting battery life. But how does it compare to the competition, and what's in store for the upcoming Galaxy S25? The Galaxy S24 Ultra shines with its anti-reflective screen, making it perfect for outdoor use. Its performance is exceptional thanks to the powerful processor, and the battery life is long-lasting. However, the 200-megapixel main camera and telephoto lenses fall short compared to the competition. Samsung has opted for smaller camera sensors, unlike OnePlus and Xiaomi. But Samsung is gearing up to introduce significant improvements in display and camera quality with the upcoming Galaxy S25. During a recent earnings call, Daniel An, VP of Samsung's mobile experience, hinted at major enhancements in display and camera technology. Top-tier application processors and memory will enhance ad performance and provide users with a premium overall experience. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series is known for its exceptional OLED displays. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch OLED display is no exception, with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and Corning's Gorilla Glass armor reducing reflections by up to 75%. But what's next for the S25 series? Rumors suggest that Samsung may introduce new tandem OLED display technology, similar to Apple's M for iPad Pro, to achieve even higher brightness levels and improved power efficiency. This would take Samsung's displays to the next level, solidifying their position as a leader in the industry. The Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature an upgraded 50-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, significantly enhancing image quality and detail compared to the S24 Ultra's smaller 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. While the primary sensor might remain unchanged, this upgrade would still be a significant improvement. Samsung is also making strides in AI, collaborating with partners like Google to improve conversational context understanding. This aims to deliver a more seamless and natural user experience across devices, further strengthening Samsung's advantage in AI integration. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to showcase a fresh design, setting it apart from its predecessors. Enhanced cameras will also be a significant improvement, with rumors of a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor. This would be a major upgrade for photography enthusiasts. The quicker processor and potential RAM upgrade to 16 gigs will make this phone a powerhouse. This would be a welcome change for enthusiasts, as previous models had 16 gig RAM variants. The Exynos 2500 chip will also be featured, marking Samsung's second 3nm chip release. Samsung has officially announced the Exynos 2500 chip, built using its second-generation GAA process. This ensures no performance or efficiency issues, making it a reliable choice for the Galaxy S25 series. The chip is expected to be featured in the Galaxy S25 series, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra potentially using Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 exclusively. So, what are your thoughts on these upcoming upgrades in the Galaxy S25 lineup? Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Take care until next time. Peace out.